Good afternoon, students. This is your GK video. In this video, we will solve the exercise of mixed bag 1. We had solved this exercise earlier also. Today, we will revise it. I'm teaching you again this exercise because it is a mixed bag. That means कि the all exercises are included in this one chapter. Okay, the questions are from every page number of earlier pages. Okay, so let's start with first. Answer the following question. Which is the first book of Harry Potter series? It is Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone. There are 8 or 9 books in Harry Potter series, and the first book was Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone. It is very famous book in all over the world. In which sport is the participants called pugilist? It is in boxing. Pugilist is in boxing. Which two union territories of India merged to become a single union territory on 26 January 2020? Earlier we had 7 union territories. Now we have 8. On 26 January 2020, the two union territory Daman Diu and Dadar Nagar Haveli. Daman and Diu and Dadar Nagar Haveli merged. Now only Daman Diu. Okay, Dadar and Nagar Haveli is merged in Daman and Diu. 4. What is the term that describes the seasonal movement of birds and animals to distant feeding and breeding around? Migration. It is a best example in Siberian bird. Have you seen a Siberian bird in Magh Mela at Sangam? They come from Siberia in winter season at Sangam, and after 2-3 months they go back to their place. So this is called a migration. Which team won the 2020 ICC Women's 2020 World Cup? It is Australia. Women's cricket team won the Women 2020 World Cup. Which scientist formulated the theory of evolution? It is Charles Darwin. It is Charles Darwin. Which plant was used in ancient Egypt to make paper? Ancient Egypt used which plant was used in ancient Egypt to make paper? It is papyrus. Which is the most abundant metal in the earth crust? It is aluminium. Name two supercomputer of India, Pratyush and Mihir. Pratyush and Mihir, it is not name of a person, it is a name of supercomputer of India. Name the airport in Bhubaneswar which was renamed after a former chief minister. Bhubaneswar airport is called Biju Patnaik International Airport. Name the Indian-born economist who was jointly awarded the Nobel Prize in Economic Science in 2019 along with Esther Duflo and Michael Kramer. Abhijit Banerjee. He is the Indian-born economist who won the Nobel Prize in Economic Science in 2019. Which country is called the gift of Nile? It is very easy, Egypt. Which country became the first in the world to ban sunscreen for the protection of coral reef and marine life on January 2020? Palau. Palau is the first country which banned the sunscreen to protect the coral reef. Name the largest cricket stadium in the world that is located in India and was inaugurated in February 2026. It is Montera Stadium. It is the world largest cricket stadium in the world. NASA designed the rover Perseverance and to conduct research on the planet named that planet Mars. Okay, so learn this and complete it also, because in your exam there is page number 1 to 35 are coming in your exam, so learn it. Till then, thank you.